Welcome to our custom space.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. Reggie says hi as well. And if I've not said it to you yet, Happy New Year, Happy 2025. So this is just a quick video because somebody's reached out to me on Facebook saying that they tried to use my discount code for Let's Resin and it wasn't working. So I've reached out to Let's Resin and it is now working again. So you can get yourself 10% off anything on their site just by using the discount code CCUK. It works on the American site as well as the UK and Europe site as well. So CCUK is the code, gets you some money off. Hopefully it allows you to do more resin projects. I love the alcoholics, I love the resins, and I love the molds from Let's Resin. So get yourself on there. If there's anything you like, use that code CCUK and get yourself 10% off. Apart from that, have a great new year. I think 2025 is going to be brilliant for resin, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Custom carving, where fun's in the air.